In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Save As prompt in Google Chrome so you can choose exactly where every file gets downloaded. This is a really useful setting if you want better control over your downloads, keep files organized, or make sure important documents go to the right folder every time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots, which is the main menu icon for Chrome. Click those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can customize things like privacy, appearance, downloads, and more. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation sidebar. Find and click Downloads. This section controls how Chrome handles downloaded files. Once you're in the Downloads area, look for the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading. This is the setting that enables the Save As prompt every time you download a file. To turn it on, simply click the toggle switch next to it. When it's enabled, the switch will turn blue, which tells you the setting is active. Now, whenever you download something in Chrome, instead of saving automatically to your default Downloads folder, Chrome will ask you where you want to save the file first. That means you can choose a different folder each time, rename the file if needed, and keep everything much more organized. This is especially helpful if you download a lot of files for work, school, or personal use. It gives you more control and makes file management a lot easier. If you ever want to turn this feature off later, just come back to the same Download settings page and toggle it back off. So to quickly recap, open Google Chrome, click the 3-dot menu, go to Settings, select Downloads, and turn on Ask where to save each file before downloading. That's all it takes to enable the Save As prompt in Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tech video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.